What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. I almost forgot at the end of the last video I said goodbye and I was supposed to show you guys all these cars. That video is already too long, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in to some of the cars they've got hidden inside the building, and then I can get out of here. Starting off, we've already looked at this one, a 2008 C6 Corvette. Looks like it's already been sold and paid for, but it's still sitting here. This thing's been sitting here a while, since 7/6 of 2023. Hell, it's August, guys. So somebody just left it, and it's locked and the battery's dead, so you ain't getting into that one. Next, a 1988 C4 Corvette, 35th anniversary edition, white on white on white. Now this is beautiful, and I don't even like the C4 all that much. Not a big C4 fanatic, but the wheels, what do they call those, salad shooter wheels? I can't remember. I've always loved the wheels on this generation. And the white on white looks really, really good. This is a good looking car. 52,000 original miles. I guarantee you it's correct, it's accurate. You've got the, they called this roof, I think this was called the Astro roof. They were notorious for cracking. Oh, it's actually got a sunshade. Somebody put a sunshade in because you're supposed to be able to see through that roof. You think it'll start? Does it have power? Not a chance, man. That's a shame. The hood may already be open. Oh, it's a beautiful car. Really, really beautiful car. And it's coming up for sale. Well, actually, this is coming up for sale tomorrow. So this is one we can look at. I'm not going to open the hood all the way, but just take a look around under here. Very clean under the hood of this car. Very nice. I kind of want this. I wonder what this is. I don't know what this is going to go for. I wouldn't think a whole lot. These cars just aren't that valuable. I'm gonna go ahead and snap a picture. Come on. Because this is one I'm interested in, depending on what the price is. I don't know, it might do 4,000, 4,500 bucks might be what I'd be willing to spend on it, considering I can't hear it run. But moving on, this is going through a remarketing firm. This is a 2020 Tesla Model 3 long range. I had one of these. I had a 2022 Model 3 long range, and I dumped it almost immediately after I bought it. I absolutely hated it. Loved the car, dual motor. It was a great car. The problem I had with it was quality control. It was really bad. And I'm not talking about the gaps. I'm talking about, oh wow, that's filthy. I'm talking, oh, it smells like, oh, wow, okay. I'm talking about when you would go through a car wash, water would come through the windshield in that corner. There's spider webs in this, guys. This car's got spider webs all over the dashboard. I don't know if you can see it. There's spider webs all over there. How long has this been sitting? Where has this been sitting? Anyway, water would run through the windshield, down the dash, and all over my floor. That was one of the problems. The next problem I had is the cameras would randomly malfunction, and you'd be driving down a road with nothing around you, and the car would slam on the brakes. It would think it saw something, and it would slam on the brakes, and it was absolutely terrifying. I don't even think I remember how to access all of the stuff on this car. Yeah, I do. Look at that. Full self-driving capability included. Oh, wow. That's a big deal. That's a big deal that is included in this car. A long-range dual motor with full self-driving. Software is full self-driving beta, or beta, however you want to call it. Upgrades, service unavailable. I don't know, guys. I've already had one. It's definitely going to need a charge. 20%. What does that equate to in miles? You can change that somewhere. I don't remember where, but you can change it to show you how many miles you have left. I never really understood why people wanted to know the percentage. I would rather know how many miles it's got left. And I didn't start the car. I just climbed in. The key's probably sitting like right there. There it is. That's where the key goes. Oh, it's got two keys too. Very nice. Am I really looking for another Tesla? No, I'm not. But in 69,000 miles, this thing's, it's not bad looking. It's not that it's in bad shape. It's just kind of rough. Tires look good. The wheels definitely have curb rash. A lot of dead bugs all over the front, so definitely needs a heavy detail. Stuff all over the interior. I don't know, this could be something I'd be interested in. I'd have to send this down to Brian at the auto spa for sure. Let's look in the back real quick. Very dirty. It's just a very dirty car. But overall, I think it still looks pretty good. And I don't know, sub 20s? That's not gonna happen for Model 3. Long range with a dual motor. I don't know, what do you think? 28? Maybe 28,000, 25,000? That may be something I'd be willing to do. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. I'm gonna take a picture of this because this is yet another one I'm gonna have to put on my watch list. Speaking of Teslas, how about a 2016 Model X with 41,000 miles on the odometer? And they've got it charging. It's really nice. It's really nice that they plugged it in to charge it up. Oh, it's a P90D SpaceX. Okay. You have my interest. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, I could do the Model X, guys. I don't know if you guys remember Brian at the auto spa, but he just purchased a 2016 Model X as well. The fact that this one is the performance makes all the difference. Look how the doors open for you. I love that. I mean, they literally open for you. I don't think they close for you, but they do open. Looks like you've got the typical delaminating on the screen. It's same thing over here. A lot of delaminating going on. Oh, see the bubbles? It looks like bubbles. Yeah. That's typical. Hopefully it all still works. It looks like it does. Let's look at see what kind of software it's got. This has highway autopilot included, premium connectivity included. This is an older version, so I'm not surprised that it doesn't have full self-driving. I don't think they did full self-driving. Now what's really cool, I don't remember how to do it, but you could open the doors. I thought this was so cool when Brian did it. I didn't know that this was a thing, but on the Model X it is. Pedal controls, fog lights, rear fold, front trunk. Ah, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. You can get out now. Oh, I'm not even joking. Look at this. Wait, watch. Ready? Ready? There you go, sir. You can get out of the vehicle now. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 205 miles of range. It says charging is complete. Air conditioning is ice cold on this one. 200 miles though, like by today's standards, that's not very good range. You know what I mean? Cup holders, little storage compartments. These things are great, man. They really are. They're really pretty cool vehicles. Here we go. This is where the money's at though. I'm not gonna let it go all the way up because I'm afraid it, no, it's fine. Okay. I wanted to make sure it wasn't gonna hit that. Do they call these gull wings or seagull wings? I don't know. But still, tell me that is not awesome, man. Come on. I don't know what that red button does. Does that close it or does that open both of them? I've never had one of these, guys. What is something like this even worth? It closes it. Perfect. Tell me that is not awesome. The way it folds up like that. I think Brian said he paid 30 grand for his. And I know that 30 grand's a lot of money, but I think it's well worth it, especially for a performance. I do notice a lot of scratching through the paint. It's worn down right there. Close that as well. It works. Oh no, don't do it, Randy. Don't do it. Michelin tires. This thing is nice, guys. Let me find out on Black Book how much this thing's even worth. Well, unfortunately, that's more than I'm gonna be willing to spend. That thing right there, $40,000. I would be much more likely to go ahead and get the Model 3 dual motor long range if I was gonna get one of them. Over here, this is just absolutely beautiful. They have the roof to it sitting over there by that white Corvette, but take a look at this. I had one of these quite some time ago on the channel that I bought from Copart, I think. This is a 2001. It's got 147,000, call it 150,000 miles on the odometer. Look at those beautiful chrome AMG rims. That bright red paint it just screams. Oh, it's a good looking car. A little dusty, a little dirty, but overall not bad at all. The bolsters even aren't torn up, cracking and a little faded, but not bad. See if this one's got power. It does. Fired right up too. Oh, this thing sounds so good. Like Tupac said, picture me rolling in my 500 Benz. Right? There it is. There it is right there. I don't know if he's talking about an S or an SL, but this is an absolutely beautiful car. I really, really like this one. Not looking for one of these though. It's one of those cars that unfortunately tends to go for more money than what I feel like they're worth. So probably going to avoid that one altogether. Let's continue our way up towards the front and see what else we can find. How about a 2017 Challenger Scat Pack 6.4 Hemi? I love these things. I do. And is this color called Competition Orange? I think that's what it's called. 55,000 miles on the odometer. It's a little bit older, but still nice car nonetheless. Is it missing the window? Oh, I do believe it is. No, the window's down there. No, it's not. Window is missing, so somebody had it covered up. The body looks good. Tires look good. I'm looking for hail because that's my first instinct when I see something like this, is maybe it had some severe hail damage. That's just dirt. The back tires are a little more worn than the front. I wonder how that happened. Look at this interior. You got the Bumblebee. Beautiful seats, Alcantara, sunroof. Oh, that's a beautiful car. Is the window in this one? The window is in this one. I can clearly feel the window in this side. The other side, I didn't feel a window in there. Not to say it doesn't have one. Oh, come on. You're gonna do me like that. This is gonna be the last car too. It's got the key and everything. Dead as a doornail. That figures. Well, I guess if you've heard one Scat Pack, you've pretty well heard them all, right? Yep, it's a Scat Pack. It's a great car. I really do love them, but I've told you guys before that I'm not on that whole Mopar train anymore. Is that scratches? Ooh, yeah. Deep scratches all through the hood. Took the paint off, quite a few of them, all up here. Well, it is a used car, guys. It's a used car. It's not new. I wish we could have heard it run though. I always get a smile when you fire something like this up and you hear that engine roar. You know, you hear it roar to life. The exhaust. It's an exhilarating experience. I love the things. I'm kind of over them, and hopefully, you know, maybe someday the whole trend surrounding these cars will kind of die off. I hope that they do. And at that point, you know, maybe I'd be willing to jump back in one, whether it's a Scat Pack or another Hellcat. You can get Hellcats now. Guys, Hellcats are dirt cheap. I can find them on different auction sites, dealer-only auctions. I can find them for $65,000, $70,000. I'm not kidding you. For Challenger Hellcats. Yeah, $65,000, $70,000 all day long. For a car that not that long ago, I paid 6 figures for. Crazy. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna get out of here. This is just an extra video. I don't think I'm gonna post it like its own dedicated video. It's not long enough, but I could throw it up as an extra video for you guys to watch. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing y'all again very soon in the next one.